Elephant Fluid Power has been engaged in the hydraulic business since the beginning of the 20th century. It has a history of nearly 20 years and has always been upholding the principles of quality first, credit first, and zero complaint, and has become a new leader in the hydraulics industry. Elephant Fluid Power insists on good products, good service, and has been providing customers with better, more comprehensive hydraulic products, and constantly